Hello, everyone. We are Grocery Checker team. I'm Feng Yuan.
I am Yuxi. For our project, we plan to do a visualization about how people think about the delivery service especially over this year. However, we have a difficult time to find the latest data set in the Kaggle website. So we plan to using our own data set by scraping online. And we will do the comparison about those leading companies to see about how they perform, and we will generate a conclusion about who's the winner. And after research online, we found a scraper tool called PushShift, which can help us scraper the Reddit comments, and then it can generate a CSV file for us to analyze it.
We also found the sentiment score, which called text block polarity in natural language processing toolkit. It's a very helpful standard to help us determine which comment is positive and which comment is negative. Then we use ELTIer to make all the quantitative data as a dynamic or static data virtualization.
Now let's look at our visualization. On the left-hand side, the first line catch our eye is the Amazon Fresh. We can see that sometimes people think they are over positive, and sometimes people think they are over negative. That's not a good thing personally. By looking closely to the chart, we can see that the Instacart and DoorDash are performed very stable. That means their slope are not changing dramatically. So I would recommend choosing Instacart and DoorDash by looking only this chart.
We also can find the chart in the right-hand side. We can see the Amazon Fresh don't have like enough comments or the post based on the data we're scraping. We also found we can analyze the mean and the sentiment score distributions to see like specifically which company performed well through those months. All right, here's our discussions and reflection. First, request library performed well on scraping JSON format data on public API. We also found the sentiment polarity on NLTK provides us a really accurate classifier for text emotion.
Okay, so after implementing the ELTIer to create a visualization, we noticed that we only can keep the first 5,000 rows from the data set. That means we have to drop the rest of the 1,100 rows in our data set we scraped. However, even by that, we can still create a static chart and interactable chart. So let's look at our demos right now.
All right, here's our small demo. In here, we use the request and we put subreddit as here Instacart, Shipt, Amazon Fresh, and DoorDash. So we also set the query keyword as delivery, and here is the limited number. Here's the whole code and the data we scrape. Here's the two static chart. We also really want to show you the dynamic chart at the end of our project. So here we can choose any grid size and drag them to see like how the subreddit and comment distribution, how it works, and how the sentiment score like from 1 to -1. That's pretty much it. I'm going to stop here. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you for listening.